Nvidia earnings just came out. Surprise, surprise, they smashed all targets again. Earnings, revenue, future forecasts, and even forecasts for the next quarter all came up positive, and yet the stock market never really moved them after hours. So stick with me on this video. I will explain to you what's happened during the earnings and also what are the potential risks that investors are seeing. Owning Nvidia stocks with Jensen Huang at helm, it is like living a dream. Such a great company, a growth, long-term prospect, beautiful roadmap. So this earnings this year in Q1 has been spectacular, beating top and bottom revenue. We're expecting 5.4, beat by 5.6 billion this single quarter, record breaking for Nvidia. The EPS expected 3.28 was actually quite high already compared to Q4. But they've beaten 3.66. They made it look so easy. Graphics card were up over 100%, 3.45 billion revenue that came in. Not just graphics card, but think about it, it's actually cryptocurrency mining that people are buying out this graphics card. And gamers are struggling to buy them. Data center up 88% to 2.21 billion. And every other prospects are up. I mean, it's just top, bottom beaten. Nvidia is just playing that mega cycle, taking full advantage, bringing sales revenue, changing the game. And what made it even better, the Q3 expectation were out as well. And now they're saying that they should be expecting at least 6.3 billion on average, which is more than Q2. And if you look at the growth chart, they were up already 84% compared and now 63%. Remember, the target that came out, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, they were average of 50% for Nvidia growth. And now they're going 80%, 60%, 60%. At end of year, they're going to be even higher. I think they may even go as close to 60 to 70% growth for Nvidia in 2021. Well done to the mega cycle of semiconductor. But why is the stock not going up? Why is it not being stimulated to push even higher? So let me explain to you three potential risks that I can see that's really pushing investors at bay. Despite the fact that we have got the 4-to-1 stock split, we actually push the stock up again, but we're still not moving. So risk number one is the ARM takeover. If they fail, because there's so much risk on just now, if they fail, we may see Nvidia drop to 475. I've announced this a few months ago, but I think if that failed, we might drop even lower. Despite the fact that they are doing so well without ARM, but all the future value being put in just now above the 475 area is actually pricing in half of what we expect for ARM. The ARM buyout would be great, then we should break over 700, 800, 900. But as of now, investors are a bit wary. They want to see proof. Risk number two is the crypto crush. Okay, I call this a crypto crush. It happened in 2018, 2019. It may happen again. If you see, all the revenues are driven by the graphics card, driven by Ethereum and Bitcoin miners, home miners. If we get Bitcoin going to 100,000 this year, we should see the halving effect, and then crypto will crush again. They will go back down to earth, and for 2-3 years bear market before they jump back up again. So this might be another repeat of 2018. That's why Nvidia highly reliant on the graphics card may be a concern. Third risk that I can think of is, if you notice, the gap between 350 to 450 is a huge gap. So crypto crash, ARM processing, if they don't happen at the same time, they might come back and fill down the gap. So this is where we are coming from. That's why investors are not ready to pile in billions and billions of pounds, push it higher. I think they're sitting back, waiting to acknowledge what risk they have before they actually commit themselves long term. And if they do commit themselves long term, there is no turning back for Nvidia. But you investors must be sitting here thinking, Alex, should we buy before or after the stock split? We are in a different situation just now. So if I were you, not holding much Nvidia stocks, not much capital, I will wait after the stock split. Like I said in the previous video, that Nvidia might be climbing up, so it's no point trying to catch the tailwind. It's best if you wait until post stock split, when if it does hit 700 or it's 6 days to 650, stock split, it will eventually roll off a bit. It will roll off and fill the gap. So we might see Nvidia from 150, 160, 170, maybe roll back to down to 140, 130 until the ARM merger is secure. Then we should be breaking away. So if you want to ask, Alex, do you want to be buying before or after the stock split? You can wait. Be patient. There's no rush. Look at the momentum, it's slowing down. We might be at the top high just now, but wait, be patient, wait for the stock split, wait for it to come down. Because at the end of the day, we're still in this inflation trade, high interest rates, growth stocks are not favorable, especially Nvidia at 20x. So this is where I am, this is what I would do. For me, I hold Nvidia as a top 3 holdings. I'm not selling because I want to play the Pareto where 20% effort investing for 80% gain. I'm not there to try to catch the top or lose the bottom. So this is me. Long-term Nvidia, fundamentals are great. You go and find a stock except for Tesla. Go find a stock except for Tesla or AMD that's got great earnings, great revenues, great CEO, great roadmap, and the whole world is using it. If you can find another stock, I will move my money across. But for now, Nvidia is where my money will be for my future retirement, getting away from this 9-to-5 job. So thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed this very short segment on Nvidia. Bull Nvidia, and invest safe and go Nvidia family.
I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see future videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell button. Bingo! More videos. Bye!